All right, team, I'm here with Mac. He is the owner of SoledOut Performance and Physical Therapy here in Clarksville, and he is our workout sponsor for number one. So he is going to take me through the workout in the sense of activation, just giving me some tips to get ready for this workout today. So I'm going to go and pass it over to him and let him warm me up.
All right, so yeah, Ricky, so as we look at this workout, we always want to think of what movements, what body positions do I need to be in to make this workout efficient. So the first thing we see is a max calorie bike. You definitely don't want to just jump on it cold. Okay. So I recommend that you and your teammates, you can decide how long you want to do it. Maybe it's 30 seconds, maybe it's a minute, maybe longer, but just kind of warm up on the assault bike.
All right.
And then after that, what we're going to do, go in.
Yeah,
on the
sorry,
right
sorry.
side, and then I'll kind of
It's like bringing the heart rate up and down.
Yep. So just bring the heart rate up and down. You can do some intervals.
Okay, cool.
Again, depending on how much time you have between you and your teammates, you can kind of split it up however you want.
Sounds good.
The next thing that I recommend, because you're doing 30 deadlifts, 30 burpees, then you're going to a max lift. Deadlifts, cleans, hand cleans. So that's a lot of hinging at the hips.
Okay.
A lot of times, most common thing that I see when people do a workout similar to this is their lower back flares up. We don't want that, right? 'Cause
Okay.
this is just workout one,
Right.
and you got to be fresh for the rest of the day. So the first thing we're going to do is just kind of get your spine loosened up. We're going to start out with some inchworms into a dive bomber push-up. So let me demonstrate that for you.
Sure.
You face this way so you guys can see me on the camera. So you're just going to bend forward, touch the floor, keep your legs straight. When you get to a push-up position, you're going to take your face, try to get it close to the floor, and almost like you're trying to sweep the floor with your nose.
All right.
Then you want to extend all the way up to a cobra stretch. I want you to get your head and chest up. You're trying to really elongate that spine. Then you're going to go back into a pike, so hips up. Then we're going to go back down into that diaphragm push-up, right? Just getting the spine moving, also those shoulders.
Roughly how many reps did I do?
So I recommend just one set, 8 to 10 repetitions.
Okay.
All right, so nothing super crazy. We're just trying to get loosened up. Good. Really extend that spine. Good. I want all of this moving, all that mobility there. That's going to help it be more efficient and easier for you to get in and out of that burpees in that part 2 of the workout.
Cool. Oh, that feels good.
Good.
All right, after I get a couple of these in, what do you think's next?
All right, after you get a couple of these, the good thing about this warm-up is I like to keep it efficient, so you're going to stay on the ground.
Okay.
All right, so after you're done your last rep, all you're going to do, come into that push-up position.
Okay.
You're going to put your hands together. You're going to take that right foot, and you're going to put it right beside your hand. Good. So in this position, what we want to do is focus on getting our hips loosened up, okay? So what first thing I want you to do is you're going to shift your body weight towards your right hip.
Okay.
Good. And you should feel like some pulling and stretching in that glute. Good.
Yep.
We want to loosen up that posterior capsule.
Okay.
Now you're going to shift your body weight towards your hands. And I want you to start to feel that stretch and pull in that hip flexor. All right. Each one of those you're going to hold for about 10 seconds. So let's go through that cycle again. For a count of 10. Good. You're going to shift back towards your hands, stretching that hip flexor. For a count of 10. Now from here, you can go on and drop that back knee to the ground.
Okay.
Let's go back and loosen up this spine again. So I want you to take that left hand. You want to come out and reach up towards the ceiling. Whew. Yeah. Come back down. We're going to switch hands. You're going to take that right hand, reach up towards the ceiling. Good. I want full rotation as far as you can in that spine. Good. And we're going to do about 10 repetitions with that.
Push it back and forth.
Yep. Back and forth.
All right.
So once you're done with that, we're going to do one more mobility slash glute activation exercise, okay?
Cool.
So I'm going to have you stay on the floor.
Yes, sir.
You're going to come on all fours, just like this.
Yep.
All right. And what you want to do is a slow, I'm just going to coach you through it instead of demonstrating first. You want to do a slow rotation with your hips, okay? So what I'm having you do, which is left leg first, I want you to take that knee, bring it out to the side for me. Yeah, keep that knee bent. You want to do a fire hydrant, all right?
Oh,
First.
okay,
Yep.
okay, gotcha.
So come on out to the side.
that's it.
Good. Now, when you're doing this, you want to keep that back neutral. Squeeze that glute. hold this position, 5 seconds. 5, now you're gonna rotate. You're gonna take that ankle, put it to the ceiling, you should feel that glute working. 5 seconds, now you're gonna come back. Hold, 5 seconds, remember keep that spine neutral, keep that core activated. Then you're gonna come down.
So 5, 5, 5.
Yep, now,
Okay.
that's not it though, we're gonna reverse that.
Okay,
All right,
so back
come
up.
back up. 5, come out. When you come out to the side, make sure that this foot is higher than this knee.
Okay.
And then back down. I'm gonna do that 5. So
Gotcha.
5, 5, 5,
And then I'll
5
switch sides.
reps. And then
Okay.
we're gonna do the other side. All right, we're gonna really get that glute
I
working.
like how it's shaking.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We want that, all right?
All right.
The last thing we're gonna do, okay, we wanna get these glutes, hamstrings working because we don't want stress on our lower back. What we're gonna do is a single leg RDL with this band. Feel free to use the bike if you feel like you can't do it without holding on to something, because some people don't have the best balance, and that's okay. You're just gonna grab this band, slight bend in the knee. I'm just gonna go into an RDL. And what I'm really focusing on is when I stand back up, squeezing that glute and that hamstring. All right, so I want those muscles activated. Again, we're gonna only do about 6 to 8 repetitions.
Strong.
Yeah. Good. You're gonna hold that. Yep. Hold it in the opposite hand. Good. Keep that spine neutral, and then stand up. Focus on squeezing that glute. Good. Yep.
Good. 5 to 10 reps on
Good.
this side.
Yep.
And then we'll switch.
And then that's it. Yep. And
Perfect.
we're just activating everything. It
Yeah.
shouldn't feel like a
Turns it
workout.
down.
After
I feel
that,
like
yeah. So after that, and I'm not going to kind of demonstrate it now, but after that, you want to grab an empty bar.
Okay.
Work through either some good mornings or some deadlifts with the empty bar to prep yourself
Okay.
for all those deadlifts and
All
cleans
right.
that you're going to do in this workout.
Yeah,
But,
just building up the weight. getting
yeah,
ready to go.
build up the weight from there. So again,
All right.
we're going to focus on, just to recap for everyone listening, spinal and hip mobility first. Then we're going to do some glute activation, all right, with the slow and controlled rotations and with the single leg RDL with your band. Then you can grab an empty bar or a bar with very light weight, work through your hinging pattern, your deadlifts, or some hang cleans.
Perfect.
And that's it.
Sounds good. All right, team, appreciate it. Look for Mac when you show up on the workout day on Saturday, June 21st. He's going to have a tent set up and everything like that. If you have any questions, please come see him. And he's a wealth of knowledge. We use him all the time. I'm sure he'll be happy to talk to you and give you some tips. All right.